I have the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, and today I'll show you how to remove and also how to change the bands or straps on this watch. So if you have an extra set of bands like I do, I'll be showing you how to change them later, but first you have to remove them. Now these bands come fitted already in the watch, and to remove them there's a release mechanism on the back. So when you turn around the watch, you should be able to see this latch. So on the latch, all you need to do is pull it back with your fingernail, and once it releases, simply pull it out like that, and then do the same for the other side. Use your fingernail to pull back the latch, and detach it like that. So your bands that's how to remove the bands from your Redmi Watch 5. So now if you want to replace them, or you have extra bands to replace them with, like I do, there may be different bands, a different color. If you do, turn the watch around once again and make sure that you place this pin, this one here, into the hole on one side of the watch like that. Make sure it inserts, then pull back this latch, then make sure it enters into the hole and make sure it's snug and fitting like that. Then do the same for the other side. Turn it around, make sure that the pin enters one side of the hole, pull back the latch, and insert, and that's it. So that's how to remove and also how to change the bands or straps on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Now the instructions will be the same for any Redmi Watch 5 depending on the mechanism, but that's simply how to do it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless.